Hello guys, um, I will be creating two parts of these topics. One is when you are receiving KT and the other one is when you are giving KT. Today we will talk about when you are new to a project and need a KT from a senior. It is applicable to both an experienced person as well as a fresher. Once you are onboarded to a project internally, you usually don't know how the architecture of the project is, how others work, and what the processes is, and all of those things. Okay. If I take the example of a developer, he or she doesn't know the code base. Someone needs to explain the modules broadly and how the flow works, what practices are followed before raising a PR, which branch you are supposed to push to, and so on. With experience, you will get to know these things. Most of the time initially goes into setting up the environment in your local system. So the main purpose of making this video is to tell you that you need to grasp as much as you can while you are getting the KT. This is very crucial. You won't get much time, maybe a week maximum later. It depends from project to project, by the way. Ask as many questions as you can. No one will judge you. Even they are silly questions, don't hesitate to clear them out. Don't say understood unless you really understand. Okay. Now, once you are through this KT session, then you are on your own. After that, you have to deliver as per expectation. No excuses. You will get limited support later. Again, it varies from project to project. So, take these KT sessions very seriously because this is the foundation you are building which will help you thrive in the project. I'll take your leave now and see you in the next video where I will explain the story from the other side as a KT provider. Till then, bye.